Hello dear traders, here one more time Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today we're gonna answer one question of one of us friends here in the community of Lion Bull Academy. He was asking me about the emerging markets, the ETF that follow the emerging markets in the world inside of eToro. So first of all, let's explain very faster what is an emerging market. You already understand, I think, by the name emerging, like they emerge, like they start become better and better. Is the new market who create in the world countries that have a possibility to become more bigger and increase their economic power. You can see in this map you have the red, okay, the purple maybe color is the established market that we everybody know, the American, the European, the Japanese, the Australian market. They are already very established markets. And in blue you have all the emerging markets. That's included China, that really become already one of the more powerful economic power at the moment, but still an emerging market, so have a very big potential for the future. Let's now explain which ETF that follow the emerging market we have in eToro. We have SCHA, EEM, EMG, EEMG, sorry, VWAO. EDM still not allowed to trade, so we pass this one at the moment. EMB. So let's go now to Seeking Alpha for study a little bit each one of these markets, just for the faster explanation. Okay, first of all, we have Schwab Emerging Markets, SCHE. Okay, this is one of the most choppy market I see. Really, it's stable. You can say have a maximum and minimum where you can even trade him. I think if you make swing trade, because you can really trade him. But it's at the last of this year, really this year from 2020 to 2021, it's really skyrocketed a lot. Almost all the ETF are really also going really stronger. We have a dividend yield of 3.09%. It means give $1.07 and pay semi-annual. Okay, the price of this ETF is now 34.56. Is the cheapest ETF we have at the moment for emerging markets, and really I like it. Also, the dividend yield is enough high for be attractive. This kind of ETF is nice for hold it for a long term and buy in every dip. Like you can increase your dividend salary each year. He pays semi-annual. This means every 6 months give you a dividend. So let's continue now with the next one is EEM, eShare MSCE, Emerging Market ETF. This one have some very strong movement followed by, okay, in 2008 was this crash, that's something was normal. And now he was in very lateral market till the beginning of 2020, that where he start in the middle of 2020 start going up because of the situation. Really, all the ETF in this half of 2020 till 2021 start going really stronger. Have a dividend yield of 1.29%. It's also paid semi-annual. It means $0.75 a year. The actual price of the ETF is 57.92 and looks also interesting. Okay, if you want to know which holdings they have, it just click in holdings, and here you can see what holdings they have in this ETF that you can look in by yourself. I don't gonna go too much in detail. Then the next we have EEMG, eShare Core MSCE Emerging Market. He have a dividend yield of 1.67% and pay semi-annual, and also have $1.16 a year of payment. You can see this market it's interesting movement, really quiet. I think very easy to enter in the market. Looks very quiet. Also by half of 2020 till 2021 is really skyrocketed. Also him is in an all-time high, but looks interesting for a long term also. Have less dividend yield, so I will prefer to invest in the first one I show you, or after I show you the next one, and I really like it in the last of the video. So the next we have the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Market, VWO. His actual price is 56.35. He give a dividend yield of 1.69% and pay quarterly, every 3 months. This is really the one of also very choppy, I think very volatile market. The nice is that always at the end going always back to his point, so he have some minimum and maximum that he looks like he hold it quite good. So it's also interesting for diversify a little bit the portfolio if you want to have some emerging markets. But I already in the last of the video I said you which one are the best for that. Then for the I already say about the yield, yeah. The last we have EMB, E-share JP Morgan USD emerging markets. This ETF is very interesting because he really invests in governments of different countries. So really interesting. And have movement really stable. It means give a dividend yield of 3.97%, that is $4.45 a year, and pay monthly. So this is really nice for have access to the emerging markets and get a monthly dividend payment. That's really interesting. His actual price is 112.09. So the best ETF that I recommend, remember I'm not financial advisor, it's just for educational purpose. Remember that one because I don't want to be sued. And also in the description you have the disclaimer written. By my point of view, the best I think is SGHA because have really nice movement. He also have a nice dividend yield, pay semi-annual, very nice. And then we have EMB, really stable for long-term investing also, and pay also very high yield for the market we are really, is very nice, over the 3%, and pay monthly this dividend. So if you want to diversify your portfolio, these two ETF for the emerging market I think are the best. So that was everything. If you have some question, just please comment me down below. If you like the video, the only stuff I asking to you is please click the like button and subscribe to the channel, the best way you can support this community. If you still are not in eToro, the broker of eToro, and you want to start investing in it, down in the description you have my affiliate link. If you enter with this link, when you start trading for real, when you already feel comfortable and start trading for real, eToro will pay to me one commission. That's the way I make money. Remember, I always like to make transparency in how I make money here. So I make money by investing, by YouTube, and also by affiliation with the broker. I recommend this broker because I use it. Believe me, if I will find someone better and I will switch, I will stop immediately recommend eToro and go to another. But at the moment, this is the best I have it. I'm use it personally, that's why I recommend him. And have very nice feature that really will be useful for any trader. So thank you one more time for looking the video and see you next time. Ciao guys.